Rheumatologic conditions affect nearly 50 million Americans and cause more disability than heart disease, cancer, or diabetes.
I am Eugene Grady, a rheumatologist at Scranton Orthopedic Specialists. As a rheumatologist, our background is in internal medicine. We see a wide variety of musculoskeletal conditions. When I initially see a patient, I'll do a thorough history, review systems, a physical examination, and even do x-rays, which we can do here on site. After putting that all together, you try to figure out whether that person may truly have an inflammatory process or whether they fit into a non-inflammatory condition. And again, that evaluation leads you to that diagnosis. It's been a very exciting time in the past 10 to 15 years. There have been many advances in mostly our autoimmune processes. There are now several medications that target a specific part of the immune system that can very effectively control that immune process and put it into a state of remission. Many of those therapies we do here at Scranton Orthopedics. We have an infusion center which we provide infusion therapy for conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, psoriatic arthritis, and we also provide infusion therapy for osteoporosis and Paget's disease. For patients having physical therapy, occupational therapy, and an orthotic department here on site is extremely helpful. When I send a patient for therapy and they go to an outside facility, I get a letter back how they're doing, but I don't get that one-on-one contact with the therapist. So if along the course of their therapy, the therapist feels that some changes may be made, then that's handled one-on-one with that therapist and can really help expedite the patient's success. As a rheumatologist, it's difficult but fun trying to figure out a person's problems who may have seen 1, 2, or 3 other physicians and they have a wide range of complaints, and it's kind of like putting a puzzle together to figure out their problem.
For more information about our services or to schedule a personal evaluation with any of our orthopedic specialists, we invite you to call our office at 570-307-1767, or you can request an appointment online at scrantonortho.com.